Very quick video on how to use this bottle opener, which is usually very intimidating, and I know it's very easy to get the process wrong. So let me show you. It's actually pretty simple. It's just a matter of really getting deep enough to be able to use this side as a lever to pull up the cork. So remember, the key is to really get this as deep as possible into the cork, and I'll show you how. So you obviously first try to puncture the cork with this, and then you start turning so that this goes in. Now, of course, as deep as possible, but not too deep, because what you want to do is that you want to make sure that this first part is gonna then hook up here and be your base to then pull, or actually push, the lever. Let me show you. You do this, then you start pulling, and now when you see that this is starting to move and starting to bend, what you want to do is you want to skip to the second level, which is this other part of the opening. And the reason why you want to do that is because if you don't and you keep on bending this, you will break the cork, which happens 90% of the time when somebody doesn't know how to use this. And then you do this. Perfect. Now, what you might have noticed is that I held myself with this finger to hold this in place, because this obviously tends to skip away from the bottle. So that's how you do that. Hope this was helpful. Now you can enjoy your wine. Hopefully your bottle is full of wine, but I obviously have this with my Coravin so that I don't have to like drink the full bottle once I open it. And this can keep it and preserve it for a few weeks. If you don't know what this is, check my other video. It's in the description. Thank you for watching.